Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at home. So dear student, as in previous two class, I have completed the first chapter that was eating habits of animals. Okay student, means in last two classes I have completed the for chapter 1. है ना? So today I am going to uh, discuss about the question answer of chapter 1. Okay student, now student, one more thing I am going to tell you about uh, the exercises are given in your book. Okay, so exercises, fill in the blank, true or false, and matching, these three you have to do in your book. Okay student, and keywords and question answer, these two things you have to do in your science notebook. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about the question answer of chapter 1. Okay, so you all have your notebook and this book, science book, with yourself. Okay, so open your science book and notebook and take out your pencil and eraser with sharpener. Okay, now come, see here, this is the keywords. Okay student, see, look at here student, this these are the keywords, okay, of chapter 1. Okay, these four keywords: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and food chain. These four you have to write down in your copy. Okay, in your notebook. Okay, science notebook. And I am going to discuss about the question answer of chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1. Question is what? Give short answer. Okay, what is it? Give short answer. Okay student, only short answer you have to write down. Okay, now question number 1, can you see? This is visible to you all? Okay, now question number 1 is what? What kind of food does a carnivore eat? Okay, what kind, this you have to write down in your science notebook. Okay, chapter 1, what kind of food, what kind of food does, okay, it is D, does a carnivore eat? Okay, answer 1. Okay student, what kind of food does a carnivore eat? You all have written? Now, what you have to write? You have to write carnivores eat flesh of what? Who is going to tell? Very good. Carnivores eat flesh of other animals. Okay, very good students, you all have become very smart. Okay, now can you tell a example of carnivores? Very good, yes, it is, examples are lion, tiger. Good. Now question number 2. Okay student, question number 2, what kind of teeth does a herbivores have? Okay, what is the question? what kind of teeth? Okay, what kind of teeth does a herbivores eat? ठीक है, herbivores have. Okay, so what is the answer? Do you know? In last video I have taught you about this. Okay, I've taught you about this. What kind of teeth does a herbivores have? So what you have to write? You have to write down herbivores have sharp and flat. Okay, sharp and flat. Okay, front teeth, sharp and flat front teeth, है ना? And also flat and also flat grinding teeth. Okay, grinding teeth. Okay, Teeth. Teeth. Herbivores have sharp and flat front teeth and also flat grinding teeth. Okay, student? 2 question answer. You all have written? Okay. Can I move to the next question? Yes or no? Okay. Now I am rubbing only question number first. Okay. Note down, student. What is the question number 3? How does a snake consume its prey? Okay. What you have to write down here? Question number 3. How does a snake consume? You know the meaning of consume, student? Consume, you know the meaning? You know the meaning of consume? Means what? लेना, यानी कि खाना, कुछ भी चीज को कंज्यूम करना, लेना. ओके. How does a snake consume its prey? Okay. So a snake do not chew their food. Instead, they what? They swallow its prey whole. Okay, student. Answer 3rd. A snake do not chew its food. Okay. A snake do not chew its food. Okay, student. Instead they swallow. Okay, they swallow it. My marker is not working today. What? happened to my marker? A snake do not chew its food, okay? Instead, they swallow its what? Whole. Whole. Okay? वो पूरा क्या करता है? वो अपने फूड को च्यू नहीं करता, ओके? चबा कर नहीं खाता. वो क्या करता है? पूरे फूड को स्वॉलो कर लेता है, ओके? स्नेक क्या करता है? स्वॉलो करता है, ओके स्टूडेंट? नाउ कैन आई रब दिस? Do I have written? Good student. Very good. So, now I am moving to the next question. Okay? I am moving to the next question. That is question number 4. Okay student? Question number 4. How does an elephant use its trunk? Okay, how does an elephant use its trunk? How does an elephant how does an elephant use its trunk? Yes. Now, answer is what? How does an elephant use its trunk? So, an elephant uses its trunk to reach an elephant uses its trunk to reach branches and leaves of a tree. To reach branches and leaves of a trees. Okay, an elephant uses its trunk to reach branches and leaves of trees. Okay student, to eat okay, to eat and it also uses its trunk to what? It also uses its trunk to what? It also uses its trunk to drink water. Okay student, it also uses its trunk to drink water. Okay, now the next question. Okay, next question is the last question, only short. Okay, short last question. What is a food chain? Okay, question number 5. What is a food chain? Okay, who is going to tell this answer? So many times I have told this. What is a food chain? Hannah, who is going to tell? Yes. Good. A food chain. A food chain is a sequence. It is a sequence. Okay, student, it is a sequence of sewing. It is a sequence of sewing. Who is eating? Who is eating who? Okay, student, who is eating who? Okay, as I'm giving you one example here. Okay, I'm giving you one example. Okay, student, one example means grass is eaten by whom? Grass is eaten by a deer. Okay, grass is eaten by a deer, and a deer is eaten by a tiger. Okay, a deer is eaten by a tiger. Okay, these are the examples, okay, of food chain. Okay, student, now you all have written this, so write down these are the short question answer of chapter 1. Okay, also you have to write the keywords of chapter 1, है ना, keywords of chapter 1. Okay, student, and also what you have to do in the next class. I'm going to teach you about the, okay, one more question answers are there, and after that differentiate between the following. Two more question answers differentiate between the following, and long question answer are also there in chapter 1. Okay, so I will teach these two questions in the next class. Okay, student, so if you have not understand, or if you are having any problem related to this chapter, you can ask through the WhatsApp. Okay, or you can ask through the link which you are watching the video. It is given there. You can ask through the comment box is there. You can go through there, and also go through the chapter 1. Okay, and open this link to revise the chapter again and again. Okay, and one more thing, student, don't forget to wash your hand regularly. Okay, and also try to eat healthy food. Okay, try to eat healthy food, and stay home, stay safe.